In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive buttons to your Webflow site, guiding you through it step by step. This simple yet effective feature can really engage your visitors and enhance your site's navigation. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Webflow and get yourself familiar with the interface. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left side of the screen and locate the Add Elements section. This is your go-to spot for all the elements you can integrate into your website. Here, we're looking for a button, which serves as an essential tool for visitor interaction. Now find the button option and click on it. Once selected, you'll need to drag this button to your desired location on your site. Take a moment to think about where it will be most useful. Perhaps you want it to direct your users to another page, or maybe it's a call to action on your landing page. Wherever you decide, just make sure it's easily visible and accessible to your visitors. Now, moving on to the functional part. To add a link to your button, you'll need to paste the URL directly into the appropriate field. Think about where you want this button to take your visitors. It could be an important page within your site or an external source that complements your content. If you want the link to open in an entirely new tab, there's an easy way to do that. Simply enable the Open in a New Tab option. This feature is particularly useful if you want your visitors to view additional content without navigating away from your main site. It keeps them engaged with your content while giving them access to related materials. In cases where you want to direct your visitors to another page on your own website, the page icon is your helpful tool. Click on that icon and a drop-down list will appear. From there, it's a simple matter of selecting the page you want the button to link to. It's all about seamless transitions and intuitive navigation for the user. Sometimes you'll want to make it easy for visitors to get in touch with you directly. To enable users to send you an email, click on the envelope icon and enter the necessary data. It's a straightforward way for visitors to reach out with inquiries or feedback, fostering a direct line of communication. Finally, to allow visitors to contact you via phone, click on the phone icon and enter your phone number. This is especially useful if immediate, direct communication is crucial for your site's function, perhaps for a customer service line or a product inquiry call. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a more interactive and user-friendly website experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials.